In the quiet town of Nazareth, a young woman named Mary received a visit that would change history. She was told by the angel Gabriel that she would conceive a child, not through human means, but by the power of the Holy Spirit. This child was destined to be the Messiah, fulfilling prophecies spoken centuries ago. Mary, betrothed to Joseph, a righteous man of the line of David, faced a dilemma. When Joseph learned of Mary's pregnancy, he was troubled. How could this be, knowing he had not been with her? His heart was heavy with confusion and a sense of betrayal. But as Joseph pondered these matters, an angel visited him in a dream, saying, "Joseph, son of David, do not be afraid to take Mary as your wife, for that which is conceived in her is from the Holy Spirit. She will bear a son, and you shall call his name Jesus, for he will save his people from their sins." Awaking from this dream, Joseph's faith was bolstered. He took Mary as his wife, obedient to the divine message he received. Together, they embraced their extraordinary calling. As the time came for Mary to deliver, they traveled to Bethlehem, the city of David, compellingly led by an imperial edict to be registered. In a humble stable, surrounded by the presence of serene animals, Mary bore a son. It was here that prophecy reached its zenith. God had come to dwell with mankind. His name was called Emmanuel, God with us, as foretold by the prophet Isaiah. Joseph and Mary, guided by faith, became stewards of the greatest gift to humanity, the Christ child, a beacon of light and hope to the world. This story conveys the lesson that faith in God's promises and trust in His divine plan can guide us through the challenges of life, bringing hope to the world.